Let's look at the sounds of ed with the d sound. D, d, d. Now this one is the voiced d, d, d. And it will follow voiced also, but not the d sound, the other ones. So the d sound is for the base verbs that are ending in fricative sounds, in voiced sounds. Now, it's important that it's the last sound and not the last letter, even though most of the time it is the last letter, but the sound is the one that's important. Okay, here's a lot of them, but there are a few more. We've got you can feel it in your throat, and b, 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 you can feel it in your throat, for the letter R, you can feel it, g, 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 and each of those are going to be followed with the d sound, not ed sound, but d, old, and bud, 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 good, and they blend together because they're already vibrating and they're making that sound in there. Let's look at some sample words. Calm, 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 calmed, calmed. You hear the d sound, not calmed, not calmed, calmed, calmed. Rob, rob, robbed, robbed. You can hear that blending, robbed. And then quiz, quiz, quizzed, 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 not quizzed, quizzed, quizzed. Live, live, lived, lived, not livid. That's going to be a whole other word. Lived, lived. I have a few more for you. So you can hear the blending of the voiced to the voiced. And we've got damage, damage, damaged, 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 damaged. And then refer, refer, referred, referred, referred. Clean, clean, cleaned, cleaned. Pull, pull, pulled, pulled, not pulled, pulled, pulled. So these are examples of words that are ending with a voiced consonant sound on those base verbs or your infinitives, and it will go to the voiced d sound. The voiced blending with the voiced because your mouth is already in that position of making the voice. Continuing with those two sounds to blend them together wonderfully to pronounce your words correctly.